I didn't wash my face. I ain't done nothing. Just got up and started cooking. So I'm making a video. Who cares? You can see I'm peeling right here and dry ash it in a mug. I did put some Carmex on, so amen. Anyway, I'm here because I just, Lord have mercy, Jesus. These are pork rinds. And lately I have been sort of just thinking about my food and what I'm eating, and let your food be your wealth and thy wealth be thy food. And so because of that, I've been looking and, looking on Instagram and Pinterest and whatever. And of course, what is the thing that you always see everybody talking about? Keto, paleo, bingo, what's his name? All kinds of stuff. So although I always feel very hesitant to try anything that I feel like if you don't do it, I have to do XYZ every single day for my life. If I ever eat a piece of cheese, that's it. You've ruined the diet or whatever. I don't want to live my life like that. So this is why I always hesitate. However, I do feel like I want to get more healthy. Does that mean like 300 pounds of weight loss? I don't think so. Does it mean feeling stronger and healthier and feeling better about the food that I'm putting in my body? Yes. So also just trying new and different things. So one of the things that I've heard a lot about are these pork rind waffles. So yesterday on Instacart is fantastic. Maybe I should do a video about Instacart because Instacart is wonderful and y'all need to try it. Anyway, so yesterday on the Aldi app, putting my car, they had pork rinds in there. They recommended it to me. So I bought some pork rinds from Aldi's and I thought, oh, this is good. I can try it out. So I found a recipe. It's basically pork rinds, cheese, egg, some garlic, and that's it, I think. Or some seasoning, whatever you want to put in it. So first thing, let me just say this. When I open up a pork rind, pork rinds don't smell good. I don't, pork rinds don't smell good. I don't really like them, but I'm really hopeful that maybe by putting them in a waffle, it'll be good. Like what they said is you're supposed to mash up the pork rinds and then put them in there. I don't know if y'all can actually see me. Can y'all see me? I hope so. I think so. Maybe not. Let me check. It's not really working out too good. Okay, but I'm going to try. So the first thing you're supposed to do is crush up the pork rinds. Okay, there it is. Pork rinds, egg, some garlic salt, and then you're just gonna mix it up. Girl, I don't know about this one now. We're gonna try out some shit now. I'm supposed to mix the egg up first before I put it in there? Girl, it smells like nothing but pork rinds and foolishness. Y'all made me waste this good old half a cup of cheese on some mess. I'ma be salty. Ooh, Lord. All right. I feel like nothing is coming out of there. Okay. The devil. Well, does it even say? Maybe you don't need nothing. I'm gonna skip just a little spray. Okay. And now we wait. I don't know. It still smells like pork rinds to me. I do smell the garlic, which is good. I thought it was going to get more. I don't know. Maybe I did. I don't know. But we going to see. Okay? We going to see. It's cooking. I don't know how long I'm supposed to cook it for. And I know I'm supposed to close my drawers, but I didn't. So what you going to do about it? Nothing. Judge your mama. Okay. So I think it's done. I don't really know, but we're going to check it. Okay? So let's check it. Okay. That looked like something. It's doing something. It looks sort of waffly. I'm gonna let it keep cooking. Okay. It's been about 3 minutes. Ooh, it's hot. Amen? Amen. Okay, let's see. Oh, it does feel like bread. Wait a minute, Jesus. Okay, where's my... Whoop! The devil. Here, a little piece came off. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to put it in here and then get my live reaction of me. Don't judge this my stovetop looking a mess. The kids tried to clean it and this their turn. We learned it. All right. Okay. Hold on. We having some camera difficulties, so we just going to make it work. Okay, so this is the finished product. Can y'all see? I will say it looks very much like a waffle. It feels like a super crispy, crunchy waffle. It smells... I don't know what it smells like. But this is it. A pork rind waffles. Did not take very long to make, and this is going to be my first. I have not tasted it yet. This is my, oh, I'm sorry, I'm shaking the table. This is, oh, it's interesting. It has, here's the inside of it. Can y'all see that? I think it's here. Y'all see it? Okay. So, this is the waffle. I'm going to taste it. I don't think it tastes like, no, there's that pork rind aftertaste. I was going to say, I don't think it tastes like pork, but there's definitely a pork rind aftertaste. I mean, I can see how you make this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it and use it for like a sandwich. Like if you put this on a burger with like other items on it, I can see how it'll be good. I'm interested. I'm going to am I going to try this again? I was going to say I'm going to try it again, but am I going to try this again? It don't taste like no bread or no waffle. There is a little bit of a aftertaste. I don't know if it's like pork or what it is, but there's something going on. It is crispy. It is crunchy. And I can imagine on keto, you can't eat any bread. You got to be super low carb. But the point is that I could definitely see I might have been dramatic in that first bite. You know, I think might have been make it better. I think keto, you can have a lot of butter. Maybe I'll cook it in butter next time and try it a sweetened whey. This would be good for like a waffle. Like the way that I'm anticipating using this is more for like a savory purpose, but I would like to try to figure out a way to make a sweetened version of it. So I'm going to explore some keto sweeteners and things like this and see what happens. I don't think it was bad at all. I'll give it, let's see how many SistaTVs. I'm going to eat another piece. There you go. Maybe we got to get my camera. A part of me feels no carbs. So if you haven't had bread or you're not allowed bread, I can see how this is a really satisfying or suitable substitute for bread. It was super quick to make. It's my first time even, and that's probably why I took a little longer. It holds up very sturdily. I could definitely see myself eating a sandwich with this on it. A burger, you get you a good old burger, or even a steak, right? A little piece of steak, some bacon, make a bacon, egg, and cheese with this. Burger, some lettuce, some tomatoes, some, good old seasoning all up and through that motherfucker. Not just salt and pepper sauce. You need you some garlic, some oregano, some Lowry's. Okay, sauce. And you put that all in there. I can see how this would be very tasty with the burger, with all the flavors and the ketchup and the mustard and all that stuff. Anyway, so I'm going to try some more. Snacks with SistaTV. If you, that's what we're going to call it. Snacks with SistaTV. The snack. Amen. Amen. We snackalicious out here. Anyway, so these are the snacks. And I think it was pretty good. Like I said, I'm trying to eat healthier. And I don't think this is a bad idea to, even if a couple times a week, if I'm eating something that I have bread or that I would want bread with, if I replace the buns with this, that's going to be, excuse me, I'm just burping all in the video. What a lady. I think that'll be a really great substitution for the regular, schmegular, super carby bread, right? Healthy is the goal. I will give this definitely, out of 5 SistaTVs, I will give this 3. Right? Let me experiment with it more. Maybe I should crush up the pork rinds a little bit more finely. Maybe I need to experiment with adding things, but right now I'm giving it a 3. A 3. I'll give it a solid 3. Yeah, I'll give it a 3. Maybe a 3.5, right? I'll give it a 3, definitely. It's a good, solid, it's very average. It wasn't spectacular, but it was good. And I do like the texture of it. Even though it is not a bread or a waffle texture, it is a good and interesting texture. And the garlic powder does make it flavorful, but I think it might be interesting to experiment with some other flavors. Okay, so if you like this kind of video, or you have another recipe that you want me to try, or something else that, even like a food that you want me to try or whatever, you can hashtag it SistaTV. You can hashtag it SistaTV or SistaTV snacks, and we need to decide what the hash is going to be. SistaTV snacks or snacks with SistaTV, or SistaTV is a snack. Amen. I think that's the one right there. If you hashtag it SistaTV with snack, or at me in the picture or the recipe, or just send it to me at sistatv@gmail.com, or follow me at SistaTV on Instagram. Or of course, by now you have definitely subscribed to the SistaTV YouTube channel, and are supporting your girl with a subscribe, a like, a share, some comments. All of that really makes a difference to me, and I would really appreciate it. So anyway, I'm trying this, and like I said, I am considering keto. So if you have anything, fat snacks, happy snacks, healthy snacks, good snacks, Jesus snacks, amen. Or of course, our beloved SistaTV snacks, amen. Amen. All right, bye. SistaTV loves you. I'll leave all the information in the link below, so you can try it. Also, you should try Instacart. I'll leave my Instacart link as well. None of this is a sponsored video. I will put my affiliate links in there because ain't nobody no fool. Bloop. Use them links, and bless your girl, SistaTV. It's your girl, SistaTV. And if you haven't told yourself already, let me tell you, I love you. But get in the mirror and tell yourself, I love you. Girl, you looking good. You out here eating keto snacks. You out here being a snack. You out here winning. Homie, you out here winning. So brother, sister, I love you. Bye-bye.